and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna review each and every product that I have purchased recently, and this is what I have on my face right now. So everything is done by those products only. So if you want to know the full review of these products, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so first I have to wash my face, and for that I have this Deju Volcanic Lava from the Face Shop, and it is their cleansing form. So you just need half a pea size amount of this face wash. It is that good. It forms a great lather on your face, and it is cream based, not gel based. And also I have full and detailed review of all these products in my skincare, so you can check it here. I'm gonna leave it. So this is a really good face wash. I have already washed my face. Next I'm gonna use toner on my face, and today I have with me is this Face Shop Rice Water Toner. So this is a really cool product. I have already talked to you guys about this product. Just one thing that I didn't like about this product is that it do not has a pump packaging, but it's okay when the product is really good. Then you don't need it or you compromise on that thing. I just tap it on my face like this, and for a mini review, it is a really good product. It moisturizes skin really well, it brightens up your skin really well. So yeah, I really love it. It has some floral kind of fragrance which I really love. And now the next product that I'm going to try on my face is this serum from Good Vibes, and it is their vitamin C and B3 skin glow serum. So I'm really loving this product. It moisturizes your skin really well, but it is super light on skin. Like you won't feel like you have applied some thick oil on your face. So this is the thing that I really love about this product. And you just need 2 or 3 drops. That's it, because it is oil, so it moisturizes really well. And also it is a budget friendly product. Like I got it for rupees 350 I believe. So yes, a vitamin C serum in 300 or 350 rupees. It's a like must buy product. So now you can see how dewy my skin is looking right now. Next I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm using the Face Shop's Rice Serum and Moisturizing Emulsion. So you don't need much of this product. I'm just gonna take this much amount. That's it. This is all you need, and it is runny, so I better apply it. And it is a very lightweight moisturizer, and it doesn't feel greasy at all. And once you apply this product, skin feels so soft, so plump, and you feel so fresh after applying this. So till the time this product sinks into my skin, I'm gonna talk about this serum. So this is a hair serum from Mamaearth. This I have already shown you in my recent video where I have shown you my recent purchase. So this product is one of them, and I can show you right now its application on my hair because I use it on damp hair and my hair are like dry right now. But yes, it is an awesome product. So how I judge a product is whatever it claims and then what claim it satisfies. For example, it says reduces frizz, reduces hair breakage, and it makes hair soft and shiny. So it makes hair soft and shiny. True. Like I feel my hair so soft, it makes your hair so shiny. So yes, this is like a tick mark. It reduces hair breakage. Like I don't know, like it's kind of 50-50. Maybe this is because of the season that I've faced so much hair fall in like recent days, but now it's like in control. So I don't know whether it is the serum or what, but yes, it is like 50-50. Then it says it reduces frizz. No, not at all. Like I do not agree with this claim of theirs. I didn't feel any change in the frizziness of my hair. But yes, if you are looking for soft and shiny and silky hair, then you must buy this product. And it is effective as well. Like you will definitely see a change in your hair appearance and texture also. So yes, for that you can surely buy this product. But if you are looking for a serum that will help you in your frizziness, then no, this is not that kind of serum. And now let's move on to makeup. Alright, so now the first product that I have with me, like in makeup, it is the primer from Swiss Beauty, and it is the Real Makeup Base Primer, and it is a highlighting primer. So the packaging is is really good, like it looks so luxurious. And now all you need to do is just take half a pump of this product, because that is enough for your whole face, and also the quantity of this product is 30 ml. So this primer retails for rupees 349, 350, but I got it for rupees 280 something. So I feel this is a best illuminating primer. It will give your skin an instant glow and the dewiness that your skin needs. And I think it is the best primer under makeup because it makes your face look so glowy. So now this product claims it brightens skin. Definitely, yes, you can see the results. It modifies pores. I can't say that because I don't have large pores issues. So yes, I can definitely can't say anything about pores. Then it says it is moisturizing and nourishes your skin. Then definitely yes, my skin feels so soft and moisturized. So yes, and I feel that when we'll apply foundation over it, it is going to glide very smoothly because it has that kind of texture. So yeah, I really love this primer. If you are looking for a budget friendly primer, then you must go in with this. Alright guys, so I haven't purchased any new foundation because I recently received PR from L'Oreal where they sent me their L'Oreal Infallible foundation, so there was no need of buying a foundation. But yes, I do have a concealer with me, and this one is from PAC and it is their Take Cover Concealer. So rather than applying foundation first, I'm gonna apply this concealer so you can see how it looks on the bare skin, like when you have just a primer on. So I really like the concealer because it has this doe foot applicator which makes it really easy for the application. So it is definitely my own skin tone. It is not a brightening concealer. If you need a brightening concealer and if you are my skin tone, then you must go in a shade or two lighter than this one. But I didn't needed a brightening concealer. I just needed the exact match of my skin tone. And now I'm gonna blend this concealer using the brush first. So definitely I could say that it has, hidden my dark circles really well, and it is super easy to blend it. Like I hardly put any effort in blending. So yes, there is definitely an ease of blending. This concealer is thick and it has creamy texture. The finish is, you can say it has a semi-matte finish. It is a lightweight concealer and it has a medium to buildable coverage. So yes, in love with this concealer. It has a very buttery texture which makes it really easy to blend. So I think I'm gonna apply my foundation off the camera and then I'll see you guys. So before my eyes, I'm gonna do contouring and highlighting first. So I have this Wet n Wild Duo Contour Kit. It is a dual-ended contour stick. It is a pretty shade, like you can use it as your bronzer and contour as well. So I'm just gonna apply. And now to blend, I'm gonna take this round brush and I'm gonna blend it with this. You can even use a beauty blender. So this contour duo, it is a warm bronze tone which is perfect for contouring and bronzing as well. Feels very lightweight on skin, like it is barely there, and it looks very natural as well. Also, it has a decent staying power and it gives a matte finish. So yes, I could definitely see it has given some great shadow to my face. So now I'm gonna try this highlighting thing which is on the other end of this contour stick. So I'm gonna apply it here. Oh, I think it is way too light for me. But let's see. And it feels a little patchy as well. Like I'll see after blending. Okay, so there is no effort in blending this thing, and after blending it doesn't look patchy at all, like you can see. But yes, definitely it is fair for my skin tone. Like if you are lighter than my skin tone, then it is definitely gonna work for you. But if you are my skin tone or a little dusky, then no, this is not your shade. But yes, I just ordered it for the contour shade because I didn't need any highlighter. I already purchased a highlighter from the same Wet n Wild brand. So definitely I'm not a very big fan of this highlighting stick, but yes, for this contour I really loved it. And also this retails for rupees 359, I believe. No, I got it for rupees 359, but it is around rupees 600 or something. But yeah, there is always a discount on this product, so from Amazon you can get it for rupees 360 or something. Alright, now it's time for the eyes, and first let's do the brows. And for that I have a new product with me, which is again from Wet n Wild. I think this time I have purchased a lot of Wet n Wild products. Like last time I got for Miss Claire and Swiss Beauty. So yes, you can check that video here. I'm gonna leave it. It looks something like this. So I have already used it, you can see. And it has this swirly on the other side, which I always need. I always go in with the eyebrow pencil, which has this on the other end, like this only. So you can see this eyebrow pencil is not that harsh and it is not super pigmented, which I really love, because when you are working with a very pigmented eyebrow pencil, because I have that sort of pencil, like from Nykaa, it is a Wow Chica or something pencil, and yes, that was super pigmented. Like I have to be very careful when I use that pencil, but it gives the right amount of pigmentation where you need. So for beginners, it is really good. Like you have a full hold of this pencil in your hand, कि कितना लगाना है, कितना नहीं लगाना है, and all that thing. So yes, this is the thing I really love about this pencil. Alright guys, so now it's time for the eyeshadow, but I didn't purchase any eyeshadow palette. So what we can do is, I am taking the same contour stick and I'm gonna add it on my lids as my eyeshadow. So just to give it a little shadow on my lids, because it's better to apply something rather than nothing. Now it's time for the eyelashes. So for lashes I have this pack eyelash and I am in the variant M74. So I have to apply this glue eyelashes. Even the thought of applying glue eyelashes shakes me. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I have this clear lash fixer from PAC, and this is how it looks like. And then I have this eyelash from PAC. So every direction of these eyelashes, like everything is here at the back of this packaging, so it makes it really easy to read only. I don't know how it is going to be like applying this.
Carefully remove the lashes from the tray and check the eyelash fit by aligning. Okay, that I know. Okay.
So I have watched a lot of tutorials, so I know all these things, but practically kitna possible hai, we are gonna check. So first, before applying any eyelashes, whether it's glue or magnetic, whatever, you must apply a mascara so that your lashes become a little stiff to hold these fake lashes. So I'm just gonna first try, like, if the bandwidth is okay for my lash length or not. But I think they are, like, I need to trim them a little. Definitely yes. So I have altered my lashes and now I'm gonna apply this lash fixer. So I have applied it just as an eyeliner and very thin layer of this glue. And also I have applied a little more on the inner corners and on the outer corners. And now I am gonna wait for 10 seconds so that the glue becomes tacky. So I'm just gonna press it with my actual lashes first. Okay, they are done. Okay, so this made it really easy to, apply these lashes. It made it really easy.
Okay, so I'm gonna wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so it wasn't that difficult. Like, super easy to apply. Like, I can't believe myself that I have done this. Like, I am finally applying these glue fake lashes. But yes, they look pretty dank.
So first, talking about the brush, it is really precise and it makes sure you pick the right amount of glue on your eyelash line or pad, whatever. And also it dries up clear, like I can't see any stark white line on my lash line. So yes, it dries up really quickly, it dries up clear, and yes, this is, I think, worth buying because it made the game really easy. Also, these eyelashes, they feel so lightweight and they look pretty though, like they are so beautiful, and the band is perfect. It can be used multiple times. So yes, for both these products I give it a big thumbs up. You can totally buy them because it is super easy to apply these glue eyelashes. So I really love them. Alright guys, so I have done my lipstick and blush off the camera because I haven't got anything new to show you all. So now the last product which is left is this highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild and it is their Mega Glow Stick, and this is how it looks like. So this retails for rupees 399, but I think I got it for rupees 350 or something. Like, I am in love with this product. It is looking super awesome, and just to make it soft, I'm gonna blend it with this beauty blender. So this highlighter stick gives you a subtle glow. It gives you a natural glow when you apply it on your face as well. It is creamy, it is affordable, it blends really easy, it blends really well. There is no glitter particle that you can see. So I really love it because I don't like chunky glitters in my highlighter. Alright, so now you can see how beautiful this highlighter is looking. And if you want to build it more, you can take your regular powder highlighter. This is what I like to do. But if you are not applying any powder highlighter, then this looks super natural. I am just loving this highlighter. Like, this is going to be my favorite, I think. Also, it is super affordable. So I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution highlighter, the old one, and I'm just gonna top it, like you can see.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. It is the result of rupees 399. Okay.
Alright guys, so that's it with this video. I really hope you have found your product in this makeup tutorial, in this review video. And yes, if you have any other query, then do let me know in the comment section below. And I really loved how the makeup turned out, how this highlighter is looking on my skin, how these eyelashes are easy to wear. And yeah, if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.